Okay, let's come over and look at the European indices this morning, and starting with the UK FTSE. So this is the 4-hour chart of the UK FTSE. ABC for a 1 up, ABC for a 2 back, which just tagged the 618 retrace. We were looking for some sort of confirmation that we're not going to drop down to the 7100 fib for a deeper 2 in the UK FTSE, and we're starting to get the beginnings of that confirmation now. So if I go down to the hourly chart and just scale that up, and if we count up off the bottom, I've got a leading diagonal to here for a 1 with a 2 back. Thus far we've come up to the 138.2 for the 3 of this 3. I need to see the 5th and then a 4, 5 to give me a full 1 up, and that will be the 1 of the A wave of the larger 3. The 3 will be as an ABC move, and this will be wave 1 of 5 waves of the A wave. What we then need to see is the 2 hold a retrace fib and take the top out. If you haven't got a position yet in the FTSE and you want one, I would wait for this structure to complete, the 2 back, and then take the long off on the bounce off a fib would be the safe way and textbook way, I guess, to do it. In the meantime, 15-minute chart, and you've got this in the email update about 15 minutes ago. There's the 1, 2, and then within this 3, we have waves 1, 2, 3, and probably 4 in. So I'm looking for a push up to 74, 71, then 4 to hold in here, 5 up, that gives us the 1 before we start a deeper retrace for the related wave 2 in the UK FTSE. German DAX next, and German DAX is starting to behave beautifully. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, spot into the 123.6, 4 looks like it's holding the 1.0. If it wants 1 fib lower, 12, 3rd, 310 needs to hold, and then a 5, 4, 5, up to at least 12,718 and more likely 12,848 or higher. All of that would be the A wave of the 3 of the larger time frame charts. We then get the B, C. Still long the German DAX. I'm looking for this region up here to bank the long, then I'll wait for this to play out and do it all again. So that's what I got in the DAX this morning.